welcome back to AG Kids channel. Today we will learn about alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. First alphabet is A. This is capital A. A for avocado. A, V, O, C, A, D, O. Next is B. B for bag. B, A, G. Bag. Capital B. B for bag. School bag, right kids? Next is C. C for camera. C, A, M, E, R, A. Camera. Yes kids? Next is D. D for dolphin. D, O, L, P, H, I, N. Dolphin. Yes kids? Now next alphabet is E. E for eraser. E, R, A, S, E, R. Eraser. Pencil eraser. Right kids? Next alphabet is F. F, R, I, E, S. F for fries. Yummy yummy fries. Right kids? Next alphabet is G. G for guitar. G, U, I, T, A, R. This is guitar. Right kids? Next alphabet is H. H for house. We live in a house. H, O, U, S, E. House. Next alphabet is I. I for iron. I, R, O, N. Iron. I for iron. Next alphabet is J. J for juice. Orange juice, mango juice, yummy yummy juice. J, U, I, C, E. Juice. K for kitchen. K for kitchen. K, I, T, C, H, E, N. Kitchen. L for laptop. L for laptop. L, A, P, T, O, P. Laptop. Right kids? Next is M. M for milk. M, I, L, K. M for milk. Yes kids? Yes. Next alphabet is N. N for notebook. N for notebook. N, O, T, E, B, O, O, K. Next alphabet is O. And O for onion. O for onion. O, N, I, O, N. Onion. Next alphabet is P. P for peacock. P for peacock. P, E, A, C, Next is Q. Q for quiet. Shh. Quiet. Q U I E T. Quiet. Keep quiet, kids. R. R for remote. R for remote. R E M O T E. Remote. Next is S. Alphabet S. S for soap. S for soap. S O A P. Soap. Next alphabet is T. T for television or TV. We watch TV every day, right, kids? T for TV. Next is U. U for uniform. U for uniform. U N I F O R M. Uniform. Next is V. Alphabet V. V for vegetables. V E G E T A B L E S. Next alphabet is W. W for water. W for water. W A T E R. Water. Next alphabet is X. X for Christmas tree. X for Xmas tree. X for Christmas tree. X M A S. Next is Y. Y for yawn. Y for yawn. Y A W N. Yawn. Right, kids? Our last alphabet is Z. Z for zip. Z for zip. Z I P. Zip. Okay, kids, happy learning. See you next time. Okay, kids, keep learning alphabets A to Z. Bye bye.